Hi there, guys. Today I will be talking about what do we Spanish men like or love from women in a relationship. I'm gonna show you. I am taking out my little dog, Tatu, or better called Chupin. Chupin stands because chupar in Spanish is to lick. He licks you always because he is lovely. He likes to lick people who loves. So, what do Spanish men or maybe men in the whole world, what do we love? I like that women, my girlfriend, um, being warm. I like when when girls talk to us nicely, not like angry or something like that. I mean, I'm gonna show you. Meanwhile, I'm talking. I'm going to show you Spanish streets and my little dog. We don't like girls talking to us. I don't know why the camera is moving or something like that. Is it moving? Like, well, I'm better using this one. But the problem is that I am with this in my hand, so it's difficult for me to film. Meanwhile, well, you should be watching me like this angle from downside. Well, we don't like, or at least me, we don't like girls talking to us like angry or something like that, like mad. Or we don't like it. We have got feelings. Maybe you think men haven't got feelings. We do have feelings, um, and we don't like. We like that you girls talk to us nicely, gently. I mean, politely, not using bad words like fuck or well, I cannot say this kind of words, but bad words. Um, we do like, and may probably some of you will think that that I am I'm crazy or something like that, or that I shouldn't be like that. But that's how I am. Maybe I mean um, maybe I shouldn't be like that, but I cannot control it. Uh, it is instinctive. Um, we or at least me, we don't like. We like that when other guy comes to talk with you, or when you have to talk with another guy, we like that you being polite but brief. uh, I do like um, when girls, when obviously when when in a couple, I mean, if being friends, I don't care. But if we are in a more serious kind of relationship, um, I like that. Uh, Goodbye. We like that you are not shy to show that you are brief with other guys, and you are committed. I guess that's the word. Uh, I mean that showing that you are on a relationship and you respect your 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 boyfriend. It is. I think. I think this it would be the same um if if women. I think women would think the same. I think you will not like that your boyfriend talks with other girls, and and it was three guys running, so I had to stop the video. um as I was saying, I guess girls don't like that her boyfriend talks to another girls. mm, how to say it? I think you understand me in a spicy way, or talking much more than needed, like hanging around, like like kind of flirting. That is not good. I think no one likes it. Well, there are people that that doesn't care more than others, but that's not good for anyone. If you are in a relationship, mm, better respect your your boyfriend or your girlfriend, and be brief with other girls or other boys. Well, what things we do like to on girls? Well, at least for me, I don't care about gifts. It is not about gifts. Okay, it is good. I like it, but I don't care. I mean, I prefer you the I prefer girls talking to me nicely and warm, more than um, receiving gifts, especially expensive gifts, because I think, oh, she made a gift to me. Okay, it's fine, but I don't care, because um, love. Mm, yeah, I mean, gifts are good, but love um, shouldn't be show be shown um, with gifts, just with gifts. It, it it is not useful that you made a gift to your boyfriend and then you talk angry to him or something like that. It is a useless gift. Then I guess you understand me. It is better to it is better to being lovely. Uh, I mean, I prefer a hug or a kiss than a gift. I prefer you to talking to me warm and nicely. What do we like to? Mm, I think that's all we need or at least for me, that's all we need. Mm, maybe um, just I need that from a girl. Obviously, not being a little bit, just a little bit healthy. I mean, keeping in mind to control a little bit your weight, just a little bit. I mean, it is not bad to being a little bit fatty or too thin, mm, a little bit thin, mm, but not being so fat or not being so thin. Just that. Well, maybe other man other man needs more things, but I just need that from a girl. The most important to be nicely and respecting me, not talking to other guys a lot. I mean, it is not forbidden to me to talk with other guys, but mm, being brave, showing that you have a boyfriend. What do you think? Put me in the comments. What do you think we men need? And girls, tell me, put me in the comments too. What do you think? Mm, what things do you think are important to men? Mm, other men, not me. I am so simple. I am so easy. I am I am I am easy. I do not require a lot. What do you think? Put me in the comments.